Today in Boston Girl Bakes, I'm going to be showing you how to make a classic apple pie perfect for your Thanksgiving table. Hey there, if you're new, my name is Heather from bostongirlbakes.com, where I love teaching others just how easy baking from scratch can be. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a classic apple pie perfect for the holidays. Now you can use store-bought crust or you can make homemade pie crust, whatever you have to do, but making your own homemade apple pie is really pretty simple and easy to do. I'm going to show you all my tips and tricks on how to make this from start to finish. So let's get started. Let's make a classic apple pie. To start, we're going to make our apple mixture. Now, I like to use a tart apple that can hold up to the texture like a Granny Smith or a Honeycrisp are two great options. I'll link to more down below. Now, to those apples and lemon juice, you're going to add in just some regular granulated sugar, some flour to help thicken, and a little bit of salt. Of course, we're going to add in some spices with some cinnamon and some nutmeg and some allspice. Now you're just simply going to stir that all together until it's all evenly combined, and then you will add that mixture to the sliced apples that you prepared earlier. And then just go ahead and just again stir all of that together so that all of the apples are nice and evenly coated in that spice mixture. And you're going to add that to a 9-inch pie crust that you've prepared. Then go ahead and mount all those apples up in the middle and top with your second pie crust. You want to trim it to about a 1/2 inch overhang, and then simply fold the top edge of the pie crust underneath that bottom crust. Once it's all folded under, you go ahead and crimp the edges, or you could just use a fork if you don't want to go ahead and crimp. And then you want to add a few slits to the top of the pie crust. This is going to help to allow steam to escape from the apple filling underneath. So you can go ahead and just add some to the top and then top with an egg wash. And egg wash is going to help to brown your crust in the oven. And I like to add just a little sprinkle of sugar for some extra sweetness and a little bit of crunch and caramelization as it bakes. And once you've done that, it's ready to bake in the oven. I like to bake in the lower bottom of my oven so I get a nice browned bottom crust. And then you're going to want to let it cool for a few hours before serving so it has time to set up. And then all it's going to need is a big scoop of vanilla ice cream, maybe a little extra caramel sauce on top to serve. So there you go. That is how to make this super easy classic apple pie perfect for the holidays. If you love this recipe as much as I do, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. And any pie baking questions you have, don't be afraid to hit me up. I love helping other bakers with their problems. Maybe not all their problems, but at least their baking problems. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another baking tutorial. And until next time, happy baking.